And we're back to learning Midjourney. Let me show you how you can use image references. And you can try to use that to create character consistency. It's not fully there, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. I have to explore it further, but for now, let me show you how I created these results. Go for example to Unsplash, I type in model. Let us use this one. You can download it right here, or you can right click and copy the image link. So copy image link, get back to Discord, then type in imagine, prompted as usual. Woman, photorealistic, and then paste Ctrl V the image link. Let us make it 16 by 9 and I confirm. Let me get the reference. Right here we can also drag and drop it. So if you don't have it online but somewhere on your computer, just drag and drop it onto Discord and then it's going to be saved here. And then you can right click on this, copy image link and use it. In our case we don't need it, so I'll remove it. But this would also be possible. I want to keep the reference right here, so this is what we used. And here's our result. Compare it. It's not perfect, as I've said. So there are more steps to be taken. There's more stuff I need to learn to have full character consistency, but it's getting there. It's certainly idealized. It made her a little bit younger in the photos. Let us add it again. And this time we'll keep the square aspect ratio and we want to change the scene. So we want to have her driving a car. Again, I prompted as usual, as you would do with regular text. Just Ctrl V to paste the image link. Let me keep the reference right here on the right. And something else popped up here that I was working on in the background. Sorry about that. Just ignore it. And it's almost done. You can see it when you keep the aspect ratio and you compare it. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's very realistic, especially number 4 and number 2. Here is her in a car. Number 3, number 1, I wouldn't use that, but 2 and 4, it comes close to the original. Best results so far I've had with red-headed models. So let us search for one on Unsplash. I'll just type in redhead. Let's just pick this one. It's one of the first results. Again, you can download it or copy image link. Imagine, we'll add a woman. And you have to prompt something like realistic, photorealistic, something like this. Otherwise it's going to move towards illustrated results. Let us change the scenery. We want her driving a car. And I press Ctrl V to paste this image link. Let me also download it so that we have a reference. I'll open it right here. And here are our first results compared to the original. 4 is unusable, it even made her blonde. But number 3, even the facial features are good. And here is her driving in a car. Number 3 looks very, very close. So this is definitely a first step towards character consistency. Try it out yourself. As you've seen, just copy image link. You can basically do it with any image that you find online. And if you want to have realistic results, don't forget to add that in a prompt by using realistic, photorealistic, something like this. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.